Ever wondered why managing a website feels like a never-ending uphill battle? Well, you're not alone. The truth is, running a website can be a complex and time-consuming task, especially when you'd rather be focusing on growing your business. Setting up the website is just the tip of the iceberg. There's the ongoing task of writing and optimizing content, keeping it fresh and relevant for your audience. Then comes managing plugins, those little pieces of software that add functionality to your site, but can become a headache if not updated regularly. And let's not even get started on the constant need for site updates to keep up with the ever-evolving digital landscape. It's enough to make even the most tech-savvy amongst us feel overwhelmed. What if there was a solution that could take care of all these tasks, giving you the freedom to focus on growing your business? Meet Saiy Bot, your new Alexa-style AI assistant. Imagine a world where managing your website doesn't have to be a tedious task. Envision an AI assistant that not only does all the heavy lifting for you, but also optimizes your website for maximum efficiency and effectiveness. That's where Saiy Bot comes in. Saiy Bot is a revolutionary tool designed to make your life easier. This first-of-its-kind plugin can set up, write, optimize, manage, and update your website for you. All you have to do is tell Saiy Bot what you want it to do, and it will execute your commands with precision and speed. But that's not all. Saiy Bot is equipped with a voice command engine, not unlike the one you'd find in your Alexa device. This means you can literally tell your website what to do, and Saiy Bot will make it happen. It's like having your very own digital butler ready to take orders and execute tasks at your command. And if you're setting up a new website, Saiy Bot's Smart Wizard will guide you through the process, ensuring that your site is set up in record speed. No more tedious manual setup, no more confusing plugins, and no more wasted time. But perhaps the most impressive feature of Saiy Bot is its built-in AI writer. This AI writer can produce perfect, human-like, ready-to-publish content in a matter of minutes. Whether you need content for any niche, topic, or keyword, Saiy Bot's AI writer has got you covered. And the best part? You'll never need to manually manage your sites ever again. No more logging into different AI writers to write content for your site, no more manual updates, and no more stress. Because with Saiy Bot, everything you need is built into your website's dashboard. So, why settle for the old way of doing things? Why waste time and energy on tasks that can be automated? Why not let Saiy Bot step into the driver's seat and take over the most important tasks required to run your website? With Saiy Bot, you're not just managing your website, you're commanding it. But wait, there's more to Saiy Bot than meets the eye. This groundbreaking plugin doesn't just help you manage your website, it also comes with some incredible bonus features. Saiy Bot offers agency rights, allowing you to manage your clients' sites as well. Talk about scaling up your business. Plus, it has a built-in AI image creation engine. This means every piece of content Saiy Bot writes for you will automatically have a relevant image to match. And let's not forget the language kit. With this feature, you can have content written in any language you desire. Now let's get you started with Saiy Bot. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, download and activate Saiy Bot on your site. Then if you're setting up a new site, run the Saiy Bot Setup Wizard. And finally, simply speak to Saiy Bot to set up all your automations for you. In just 3 minutes, you could be commanding your website with Saiy Bot, ready to take the driver's seat of your website. Imagine having a personal assistant handling all your website needs, from content creation to optimization, all through a simple voice command. With Saiy Bot, you'll not only save time and effort, but also boost your site's traffic and sales. And the best part? You're just 3 steps away from this game-changing experience. Don't just manage your website, command it. Try Saiy Bot today. Click the link in the description to check out the demo video and see how powerful Saiy Bot truly is.